but I have a long day ahead of me. I have to do a 12-hour shift today. I have to do it 10 to 10. Literally just started. It's 10. Well, it's about to be 11 o'clock already. But I have to stay till 10 p.m. today. Breakfast is blueberries, a lot of blueberries, strawberries, and pineapple. I didn't have no banana. So yeah, I have to stay here till 10. So Baba asked me yesterday. And I'm like, okay, I'll do it. I ain't doing nothing anyway. She knows what she's doing. Because I'm not going to be working a couple of days next week, so that's why But it's cool, because every time I ask her for a deal, she gives it to me. And when she asks me for a favor, I try to do it because she be having my back. So I have her back. And this funny thing, I never met this lady. I never met her. I always talked to her on the phone. All I know is she works in a payroll, and she's my supervisor too. So I've never seen her before. But she always had my back, and I'm gonna have her back soon. So, but yeah, I'm just dreading the 10. I did it when I first started doing security. I did it before. I did a 12-hour shift before, and I was like, nope, can't do it. No, that was too much for me. I was sitting down too, but I just couldn't. I couldn't get my eyes open. I kept falling asleep, and I took a nap before I got there. So I don't do that. So 12-hour shift is too long. I can't do that. I'm getting old. My face might look young, but I'm getting old. So, but yeah. So guys, I did a story time. I'm proud of myself. Because as I could tell, well, I don't know if I could tell, but I was nervous. I was nervous when I was doing the story time. Because that was my first story time that I'm doing. When I said that in the video, I was doing my first story time, meaning that was my first story time on YouTube. So it was, yeah, I was nervous. But I was watching it over last night. I'm like, I think I did good. I'm gonna give you more story time. But yeah, I enjoy doing it. I was watching, I was laughing. I was laughing at myself. I was like, ooh, child, I'm embarrassing myself. That is embarrassing. Whatever. It is what it is. Life ain't perfect, okay? You go through the ups, you take L's, and you take wins. You see, this is me open up to y'all, so y'all better appreciate it. Because me, I keep it to myself. I don't tell you. Well, of course, my closest friends know, but other than that, I don't tell my business. So y'all better appreciate this. This is my what do you call this? This is like an intro to opening up to y'all. So yeah. I need to do about me. I didn't do about me. Like a get to know me. I need to do that. I'm gonna do that. It's well overdue, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for y'all. Because y'all don't know much about me. I'm gonna try to come out my comfort zone. That was coming out my comfort zone. Wow. I'm gonna try to come out my comfort zone more. Yeah. I'm gonna give y'all some stories. I have a few stories in my head already. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just do it. And I see, thank y'all. I got 20 subscribers. Thank y'all, whoever y'all is. Thank y'all for subscribing to my channel. I'm excited. I was excited when we were watching that last night. I was laughing to myself. I know it's actually people actually laughing at me, but I don't care. Like I said, I don't care. I gotta do what I gotta do to get my views up, bro. Yeah. Still a little shy about certain things, like doing certain things on YouTube. So I'm not gonna go back no more. I'm just gonna let it out. So be ready. Yeah, I'm gonna let it out. That's what listen. I left my it's the white diamonds. I left my I put my Rihanna perfumes, all of them, all three of them under on my dresser. And I was over the weekend I was cleaning out, like doing a little cleaning, and I'm like, why do I still have this in the box? Like, so I took it out and put it in my dresser too. Back to what I was saying. I need to get my views up, man. I need to get my views up. So if I have to do a video here at work every day, to post a video every day like this, yeah, my views gonna be up, because that's being consistent. Yeah, I mean, I don't get it all the time. I can't do it all the time anyway, because I work 10:30 to 6:30 p.m. So sometimes when I go home, I be tired. So I mean, I still could do a video when I go home, but I'll figure it out. But when I say I'm not giving up, because some of my videos already have ads in it. Like a few of my videos have ads in there already, so that even motivates me even more to just keep doing YouTube. Like, keep doing it, girl. Don't give up. Do not give up. I'm not gonna give up though. I'm not. Nope. So next story time. I think I am gonna do the breakup story. I am. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That's another one. Y'all gonna be like, child, listen. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I need to give y'all that. I think I'm gonna do that video today. Y'all gonna get this video tomorrow, and I'm gonna do the About Me Saturday. Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep on saying if I can do it. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm posting the video every day. I ain't playing. I'm on beast mode now. I'm not playing. Proud of myself. I'm very proud of myself. I'm very sharp. I'm just glad tomorrow's Friday. I work 8:30 tomorrow. 8:30 to 5. So let's take it off early tomorrow. I'll have a busy weekend ahead of me. I'm gonna be outside. I have stuff to do. It's so little time. But y'all go see what's up. I forgot to watch Sisters. Last night. How the hell did I forget to watch Sisters last night? Oh, matter of fact, you know what? I'm tell you what happened. So yesterday I was editing the video right? Everything working. I was getting not because I sit here. Don't think I don't do nothing. I'll do stuff. But I was editing, and then I just decided to call my father. So I was on the phone with him for like an hour, like on FaceTime with him for an hour, and then I was talking to my stepmom. And then after I came off, then the students started coming in. I'm like, okay, and I leave at 6:30. So I did clock out, but I actually stayed here until I left here like 8 o'clock because I'm like, I cannot leave here without uploading this video. I have to upload this video before I leave. Because sometimes my Wi-Fi be acting up. Like, I be starting to upload a video around 2 something. I don't know if it's the Wi-Fi or if it's YouTube. Because I'm trying to upload my video like around, say I'll try to upload it like around 2 o'clock. And this shit will take forever. And I'm like, what the hell's going on? It annoys me. So yeah, I'm like, last night I was like, I'm not leaving here until I upload this video. So I left out of here like 8:15 or something like that. As soon as it uploaded, I was like, okay, I'm out. So then I got home late. I got home like around 8:50 something. So I was late. I couldn't even watch things because I went in the shower went straight in the shower, and then I put some tea on. I couldn't even watch. I didn't get to watch Sisters. So I'm gonna have to watch it right now. I'm gonna have to watch Sisters right now because I need to see what's going on. Is it the finale? I don't think it is. I think I'm gonna go watch it right now though. So. Tired. Is that by your nails? How you? I hate to stick out. Come on, baby. He's so handsome. He's keeping my company just a little bit because he don't be wanting to talk to me. Kimani. Hold on. Hi.